Happy Wednesday, everybody. We are just about a week before Christmas. So, what tip am I going to give you today? Well, I'm going to give you an emotional tip today. Today and this week is when you and your team and your brokerage and your family should be getting together and going through your non-wanted clothes, gently used clothes. Toys. Look, Christmas time is going to be coming. You got younger kids. A lot of them, their toys are going to be recycled anyways. Now is the time to be able to give those to nonprofits, to be able to give clothes to the churches, to the homeless shelters. You know you're going to be getting in anyways. So why not do it before Christmas? And that way that'll help out other people to be able to receive on Christmas. Remember, Christmas is giving. It's not about receiving. Okay? So let's give from our heart. And, again, businesses are run with your heart and your head. I'm going to have you switch to your heart today, right? And then the next topic, we'll talk about your head. But today, I want you to be able to give. So let's do a little bit of winter cleaning. Let's be able to get some of those clothes and toys, and let's be able to donate those and help people during this time of need, especially during the Christmas season. Right? Miracles happen. All right? God bless. I'll talk to you next Wednesday.